If you use your fingerprint to unlock a phone, you may be giving up your Fifth Amendment rights. I'm Bridget Carey. This is your CNET update. A recent case in Los Angeles has stirred up questions about your constitutional right to remain silent. The Fifth Amendment protects you from incriminating yourself, giving you the right to not say a word in a court of law, so no one can force you to verbally give up your password to any phone or app or service. But biometric passwords are falling under a different set of standards in courtrooms. In LA, authorities obtained a warrant to compel a woman to unlock her iPhone with her fingerprint so they could search through the phone. Now, they have the right, but by putting her fingerprint on the phone, some legal experts argue that she just testified without saying a word, validating the contents of the phone and giving up her Fifth Amendment right. Now, the other side of the argument is that searching a phone is no different than getting keys to search an apartment when you have a warrant. But while you ponder the two sides, remember this. When a phone is rebooted, it requires a passcode. You cannot just use a fingerprint, so this request would be useless for law enforcement. And also touchy on the privacy rights side is something Sony is working on. The company just patented a contact lens that records video, and it's controlled by blinking. It's able to tell the difference between voluntary and involuntary blinking. Can tech companies just stay away from my eyeballs? Just the other day, Google filed a patent to inject tech into your eye to help correct vision. I'm getting an itchy eye just thinking about all this stuff. In other tech you can wear, IBM designed a dress for model Karolina Kokova to wear at the Met Gala in New York on Monday. Technology and fashion was the theme for the night's costume extravaganza, and this IBM dress used Watson technology to light up in different ways depending on what people were saying to her on social media. The lights changed for different emotions conveyed. Claire Danes wore a stunning glowing gown with embedded fiber optics. But most other outfits just took the tech theme to mean, hey, let's dress up to look like silver robots. Or in the case of Lady Gaga, robot hookers. Zayn Malik just looks like a cyborg in a tux. And Katy Perry seemed to have channeled the spirit of encryption with all those keys dangling off her. And there's also a Tamagotchi around her waist. I'll give her points for that. That's all for this Tech News Roundup. You can head to CNET.com for the latest. From our studios in New York, I'm Bridget Carey.